You must have come from a long way off. Do you understand? Maybe I should try.
Yo, I bring myrrh to the table. The meaning is something fatal, not meant for the average born king in the cradle. Death is the definition. I know the story seems repetitious, along with the other gift that was just as expensive. Myrrh for the death we all deserve. Worship and rejoice, wrapped in the flesh. Yo, it's the word. Say word, not myrrh, it's myrrh. Used for perfume and incense. In this case, death is the intent. Yeah, just an infant, receiving and giving at its finest. I take off my crown, humble my pride to your highness. Highest of all, fresh to death. Death pending on the one who can save the wretch. He gave his life and claimed there's no questions asked, when every single one of us rightfully earned God's wrath. The living and dead body was anointed with myrrh as a sacrifice to the daily sins that have come. It's myrrh.
Just some man that's on the mic.
I help if we try and say wisdom is the principal thing.
Frankincense I bring, a meaningful gift to present to King, symbolic of remembering the days of sacrificing at the temple. The people would assemble before the presence of the Lord and tremble. 12 stones on the altar symbolizing the 12 tribes, and further on the horizon the 12 apostles, authors of the epistles and gospels. Prayers rise like incense, a sweet smell in his nostrils. No earthly priest could ever truly be worthy to stand before the seat of mercy. The Son of God himself, our high priest, temple and sacrifice, prophetic types that point back to Christ.